What happens when you add water on an unsealed Jesmonite piece? The tray will absorb the water, and that's something we don't want. However, if you seal the Jesmonite piece, you are protecting the piece and the result will be entirely different. Welcome back to our channel. We're going to teach you today how to get a water repellent result. Bye! We don't like you. This is our secret, Clark's Stone and Concrete Wax. We have been using this wax for almost 2 years. Has a mix of beeswax, carnauba wax, and other mineral oils. This is our personal choice. It does work for us. We see that the color pops when we apply it. It's super easy to apply. It doesn't stain if you apply it correctly. Plus, it actually has a nice smell. And it has a matte finish. Why did you see us throw away this 100% beeswax? So we have tried a lot of different sealers, and this is one of them. It did apply amazingly, but surprise, surprise, after a few months, the pieces were completely yellow. How do we seal with Clark's Stone and Concrete Wax? So we usually apply with a beauty blender or a sponge, just like this. You rub it in, and then simply you will buff it out. But let's go into more detail. We like to start with the back of our pieces. See already the color difference here? That's what we meant when we said that the color pops. We will continue to rub the wax in the whole piece with a beauty blender or a soft sponge. Here we're going to change to a soft sponge because it's easier to go into those corners. First layer is done, let's wait 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to buff it out, so removing the excess of wax that didn't get absorbed. Don't be afraid of using a little bit of strength, you really want to remove this excess wax. First step is complete. Let's apply a second layer and repeat the whole process. And then it's done. We want to show you how different colors react, but also talk a little bit about tips and tricks when applying the wax. Tip number 1, doing 2 layers of this wax. Tip number 2, waiting 5 to 10 minutes between layers. Tip number 3, for single colored pieces, don't wait 5 to 10 minutes, it can create stains, so buff it out immediately. Final tip, seal your products in batches. When you're done with the first layer in all of them, 5 to 10 minutes have already passed. After sanding your pieces, one of the biggest complaints is how dull the color looks. And the most amazing difference with this wax, it's in darker colors. In this case, for example, black. You can immediately see the difference. So the color is back alive, like we want it to. It looks so amazing, this color difference. We love it. And our piece is ready, sealed, ready to ship to our client. Let's go back to our water test. An unsealed piece, a sealed piece 1 day ago. Look at how the water runs through. Completely different from the pink one, which was unsealed. A sealed piece 2 months ago. And now the ultimate test, a sealed piece 9 months ago. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please comment below. If you want to learn more with us, check out our other videos, or we also give online workshops. You can see all the information on our web shop. Thank you.